and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my new setup. I have my own filming unit now, so expect to see more tutorials once I get used to everything. We are going to dive right into this look using the Cosmic Brushes Delicious Delights and Serenity palettes. These two are beautiful. Their foil formula is unlike anything I've used before. It's they're just stunning. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. Hello, it's me again. So just priming my eyes with this I always say Tarte Shape Tape, as I always do, and this is a Mob brush. They are back alive and in action now. They're called Mob & Co now, so yeah, you can still buy them. That was the Mini P. And I'm actually using a new brand called the Angel Co brushes. Her eye set is fantastic. You've got a small detail brush, you've got big blending brushes. They're just beautiful, so definitely go check them out. Anyway, I'm using the Serenity and the Delicious Delights palettes from Cosmic Brushes. These palettes are fantastic. I am like kicking myself, it took me so long to try them. But I'm just going in with a mix of them, so it's like blues, purples, pinks, creating this sort of rounded shape, but then I do kind of like blow it out later. I wasn't sure like my vibe going in. How are we all anyway? I feel like it's so long since I've done a voiceover for YouTube. It's crazy. But if there's anything in particular you want to see, please do let me know and I will do that. This is a Spectrum brush. I do have a code for Spectrum. I'll put it in the description box if I remember. It saves you 20%. So, you know, go check it out. But yeah, I want to get back into doing my YouTube videos. I kind of fell off the wagon, feeling insecure about, you know, if I'm good enough and all that shite. So now I just want to do it just for my own reasons, you know, like because I enjoy makeup and everything. It's the same with TikTok. I got like into a TikTok shop, and so it's easy to get stuck into that. And then my makeup videos don't do very well. So then I was like, oh, you know, should I even bother? But then I'm like, no, I enjoy it. I like everything to do with makeup. Oh, look at that clean cut. This is the white paint from P. Louise. I don't know if they still do it. Is it called Re-White? I can't remember. But yeah, I wanted to use white so that it made the foils pop. But like, I mean, look at this shade. It's absolutely bloody stunning. The shift on it is incredible. And when I say they're soft like butter, like, it literally is that. They're just beautiful. Obviously my camera's just having a bit of an issue focusing there. I'm sorry that the lighting's a bit bright. It'll take me a while just to tweak my settings because obviously in my new unit, everything's different to where I usually film. So yeah, I'll get into it again, don't worry. But yeah, if there's anything in particular you want to see, let me know. I've obviously still got a lot of makeup, still buy a lot of makeup. And yeah, I'm excited just to get stuck into it again and just, I want to do like the old school tutorials where we just play with makeup and get the colour out there, and it's just, you know, fun and games. It doesn't have to be so serious, it's just makeup. And let's have some fun with it. I used to have so many ideas and then it just all got like downgraded. God, I'm getting maudlin on this video, aren't I? I think it's because I've not sped it up a lot. I wanted to show you the whole process, but I'm not used to talking like this much. I'm used to just a quick, like, you know, 60-second video like I do on TikTok. Again, I'm just buffering the shades that I had before, just all under my lash line, giving it all a good blend, blowing that out at the side. I could have actually blown out more, but I didn't. So guys, that is the finished look. What do you think? I love it. I actually used my new straighteners as well to straighten my hair. I got the Beauty Works ones. But yeah, this is the finished look. Obsessed with these palettes is not the word. The foils are a dream. Yeah, so if you want to check out these palettes, my friend has a discount code. I'm going to put it on screen and I'll put it in the description box if you want to check it out. I think it's Becky with 2 eyes XJ or JX, I can't remember, but I will put it in the description box so it does save you. I think it's like 10% or something. It is an affiliate link, so she will earn some commission if you use it, but you might as well save some coin as well. And these palettes are chef's kiss, so yeah, definitely recommend them. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for the next one, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.